request our worthy Vice Chairman sir to kindly present the report of Global Group of Institutes.
Dr. Kuve Vijay Pratap Singh ji, former IPS and current MLA Amritsar North, most respected special guest of honor, Padam Shri Dr. H.S. Bedi ji, current Chancellor, Central University of Himachal Pradesh, respected Dr. Ekonkar Singh ji, Deputy Registrar, IKG PTU, worthy Chairman, Global Group of Institutes, Dr. B.S. Chandri ji, all dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, with the aim to provide affordable, quality education for all sectors of the society. In the holy city of Amritsar, we started Global Institutes in the year 2008 with BTech and MBA courses. Subsequently, we added various management courses, pharmacy courses, and paramedical courses. Currently, we are running 18 UG courses and 2 PG courses. Today, Global Institutes is not only the top choice for the students of Amritsar and nearby areas, but also we have students studying from various states of India, including Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal, Jharkhand, Bihar, and several northeast states. Additionally, we have students studying from Nepal, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Ghana, Bangladesh, and Bhutan. In a short span of nearly 1.5 decades, today Global Group is recognized among the top educational institutes of the region. Our students have bagged 24 university gold medals, competing among over 100 colleges of IKG PTU. 120 plus university top positions in the end semester exams and 500 plus merit positions in the IKG PTU. Today we feel proud to share that we have gold medal in almost all the courses that we are running in our institute. We have a very unique record in IKG PTU. Our students, they have bagged gold medal in the very first pass out batch of BTech CSC, BTech IT, B Pharmacy, and BSc Agriculture. It is a record still unbroken. The credit for this stellar performance and achievements goes to our highly qualified and dedicated faculty members. Last academic year, we became the youngest technical group of institutes, both among the government and the private sector, to be accredited with NAC A+ grade. Subsequently, we received coveted 2F certificate from University Grant Commission, and very soon we expect autonomous status for our institute. Our institute have won a number of awards at the national level, including Outstanding Engineering Institute Award, Outstanding Management Institute Award, Devang Mehta B-School Leadership Award, Campus Excellence Award, etc. We have a very able team under the leadership of Colonel Sudhir Bahl, who is looking after the placement of the students. Today, you name any top company and you will find our alumni contributing there, both in the private sector as well as government sector. We are very proud of the fact that the first woman fighter pilot of Indian Air Force, Miss Mohana Singh, is the alumni of our institute. Our students regularly participate in technical and cultural events held all across the India in NITs and IITs, and they always come back winning several prizes. In addition to quality education, we also provide quality sports infrastructure. As such, we are the only self-financed technical institute in this region which is having dedicated facilities for cricket, football, and only institute probably in the entire northern India which is also having a horse riding club. For the international exposure of the students, we have tie-up with some foreign universities. Under this unique tie-up, the students can pursue initial 50% of their degree at global group of institutes, and subsequently on the basis of credit transfer scheme, they are given admission by these foreign universities, and they complete the remaining part of their degree at these foreign universities. Ultimately, the final degree is awarded by these foreign universities. With this, I welcome you all to this beautiful campus. Thank you.